Hey there, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to download and install Atom Editor. First you need to go to your browser and then type Atom and then click enter. A page like this will appear in front of you. Click on the first link. Now you can see the download link here. Now you can click on this download it and then install it. After you install it, I have already downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again, but once you install it, I'll tell you, a screen like this will appear in front of you. Okay, now we are going to download and install some packages that will make your web development experience more easy and smooth. Okay, so the question is how you can install the package. Now what I will do, I'll go to the install a package, open installer, see, something like this will appear in front of you. You will go to the install option. This is the install option. Now you can search the name of the packages here. Now what are those packages that we are going to install? I'm going to tell you some important packages. Now there are multiple packages available. You can download anything you want, but I'm going to tell you something that I find very interesting and very good. Now the first package is Atom Beautify. ATOM Beautify. Search. Atom Beautify. See, I have already installed this package, so I'm not going to uninstall and install it again. But you can install it. You will get an option of install here. Okay. So what this Atom Beautify does, I'll tell you after I'll show you all the packages that I'm going to download as of now. The next package is CSS.com. CSS.com. Wait guys. CSS.com. Let me check what's happening. See, Atom CSS.com. This is the package. This is another package, and other than this, you can download Atom HTML preview. This package is my personal favorite. You can install it. I have already installed all the packages, so I'm not going to uninstall and install it again. But I'm going to tell you that how to use them once I tell you name of all the packages. Another is Color Picker. I'm directly going to show you the name of those packages which I have downloaded. This is the Color Picker package, and this is File Type Icons. Now I'm going to show you that where to use these packages and how these packages are going to work for you. Now let's remove it. Open a file. Let me do that. Reopen project. I have already created a file, so I'm going to open it. You can create a new file by pressing Ctrl and N. XYZ open. See, this is an empty file. This is an empty HTML file. So if you want to create a new file, you can press Ctrl N and then save it with any name you want to give with .html extension. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to write some HTML boilerplate code here. HTML this. Okay. Now I'm going to remove it. First, what I will show you that how to use Atom Beautify. Okay. Now suppose you have a code that is not very well indented, not very well formatted. See, suppose like this. Okay. In this case, what you can do, you can use Atom Beautify package that we have downloaded, and what it will do, this will help you to format your code. To format your code, what you will do, see, you can also download the package and use it from here, but I am going to use the shortcut key. I'll press Ctrl Alt B. Now see, you can see that your code gets formatted after using Atom Beautify. So after formatting the code, what I'll show you one more example that how to use these packages. And the another package that I'm going to show you how to use is my personal favorite package, that is Atom HTML Preview. How to enable that? You can go to package, go to preview HTML. Now enable preview. A screen like this will appear on the side of your code. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to write some random HTML like h1. Okay, I'll write see the changes. See, with the help of this package, you can see the changes that you are making to your web page in real time. You need not to go to your folder, then open your file in the browser, and then switch the browser and your software again and again. This is going to help you to see the changes that you are making to your file in the real time. Now another package that we have downloaded was Color Picker. Color Picker, you know that when you are going to style your web page using CSS, then you are going to choose color, then it will going to help you in that case. So I'm not going to show you that how to use Color Picker as of now, but when we will go to our CSS tutorials, I'll show you that how to use it. Now another package that we have downloaded is File Type Icons. Now that is the kind of package that will be useful when you will do significant projects, like it will show different type of file icons for different files. Okay, so this much is enough for today. So I think there are many more packages available, but you can download anything. But according to me, these are the best packages that I have used and I believed in them. So if you want to learn web development, then you can check out my HTML5 tutorials. And if you like my video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.